Get ready, my dear students. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Prove it because you have learned sin of a plus b formula and cos of a plus b formula. What is the formula for tan a? Sin a by cos a. What is the formula for tan alpha? Sin alpha by cos alpha. What is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. Now, here you observe the LHS. LHS is tan of a plus b. So that's why you take LHS. Tan of a plus b. How to write it? Tan of a plus b. Tan theta is formula sin theta by cos theta. So that's why this is sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b. Yes or no? Now you take it. What is LHS? Tan of a plus b. That we expressed as sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b. Do you know the formula for cos a plus b and sin of a plus b? Okay, get ready. Sin of a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now semi cos of a plus b formula. Yes, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now, but your target is in RHS you must get values in terms of tan, but here in terms of sin and cos, that we have to change in terms of tan. Then what we have to do? Question yourself. Then automatically you will get the answer. What is that? Here you have the sin a cos b. Here sin a is there. If suppose you have by cos a, then definitely you will get sin a by cos a value tan a. And here you have to eliminate cos b. Then immediately you will get an idea. Sin a into cos b have to divide by cos a cos b. Yes or no? So that's why each and every term you must divide by cos a cos b. Yes or no? Why did we divide by cos a cos b? Because of when we divide by cos a cos b, then only these values be changed in terms of tan. That's why. So numerator and denominator is divided by cos a cos b. So that's why each and every term in numerator divided by cos b cos a. See here, sin a cos b by cos a cos b. Here cos a sin b by cos a cos b whole by, and again here cos a into cos b minus sin a sin b. Each term is divided by cos a into cos b cos a into cos b. Now you observe sin a by cos a, you will get tan a. So cos b cancel. Cos a cancel. Sin b by cos b, you will get tan b whole by. This value is 1. Sin a by cos a, you will get it tan a, and sin b by cos b, you will get it tan b. Yes, you got it. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. So my question is it true always? Is it true always? Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That formulae are true always for any real values of a and b. But Here, is it true always? Now again you know the fundamental formula for tan. Tan of a plus b is nothing but a tan of a plus b is equal to y by x. What is the value in denominator? X. Is x 0? Yes, it is 0 on y axis. Which kind of angles are there on y axis? Odd right angles. So that's why you should not take a value, b value, a plus b value. These values should not take odd right angles. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. If suppose you are taking whether a, b or a plus b values in 2n plus 1 of pi by 2 means odd right angles, 90 degrees, 390s, 270 degrees, 590s, 450 degrees. You are taking those values, this formula is invalid. Yes or no? Because tan 90 degrees undefined. Here also tan a value you are taking 90 degrees, then that is also undefined. So you couldn't get LHS equal to. So this is the formula valid when a comma b comma a plus b should not take 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For remaining all angles it is valid. Okay. So that's why. Now can you prove cot a plus b? Yes, one more problem I will give you. Do it now. Cot of a plus b is equal to, prove it, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. So can you prove? Yes, you do it now. What is the LHS? So LHS is equal to, left hand side value is cot of a plus b. What is the formula for cot a plus b? Cot of a plus b is nothing but a cos by sin, no? So cos of a plus b by sin of a plus b. And again you do it, cos a cos b, okay, minus sin a sin b whole by, yes or no? Sin of a plus b formula same is sin a cos b plus cos a cos b. You have to concentrate on RHS. You must get it dot values in terms of cot. Then what we have to do it, immediately you can get an idea. Both numerator and denominator is divided by some value. That specific value, can you say? Yes, you are right. Each and every term in numerator and denominator you have to divide it by sin a sin b. Why? Then only we can get cot. RHS you will get it in terms of cot. So that's why cos a cos b by sin a sin b minus sin a sin b by sin a sin b. Numerator we divided by sin a sin b, and denominator also you have to divide it by sin a sin b. So sin a cos b by, say me now, sin a sin b minus cos a cos b whole by sin a sin b. Now you take it cos a by sin a, get it cot a, cos b by sin b, you get cot b minus entire value get whole by sin a cancel, cos b by sin b, cot b minus cos by cos a by sin a. Okay. Here I said, what did you do, sir? Here formula we gave wrong, no. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b this is. I think you noticed first only. Good. Just you do. Shabash. So that's why here sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is plus symbol, no? So cos A sin B, this is sin B sin B. You will get it cot A. So your answer, what did you get? You got it, cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. So cot of A plus B formula, that is called RHS. Here also, this is called RHS. So we got it, LHS is equal to RHS. So cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Okay. See now, is that formula valid always? In T ratios we discussed that fundamentally helps you. Just a fundamental formula we have given. What is that cot theta formula? Cot theta formula is x by y. When it is valid, when denominator should not get 0. What is the value in denominator? Y. If y equal to 0, that is invalid, undefined. Output is undefined. Y coordinate when will be 0? On x-axis. Which kind of angles are there on x-axis? Yes, 180 multiples, n pi. So that's why these arguments a comma b comma a plus b should not take multiples of 180. Yes or no? This is the condition. Except that multiples of 180, the remaining all values we can take in place of a comma b comma a plus b. I am asking you, can you prove tan of a minus b formula? Tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Will get it, yes or no? So just here only I am saying you tan of a minus b formula. What will you get? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan. Just signs be changed, because in place of plus b you substitute minus b. Tan of minus b is equal to, what did you get? Tan of minus b is equal to minus tan b. So that's why here we'll get minus tan b. Here already minus symbol is there, no? In place of b you take it minus b, tan of minus b. So then what will get? That minus and this minus gives you plus symbol. Yes or no? So that's why that value is completely changed. Here minus, 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 plus. Okay, here we will get minus, plus, minus, plus. So that's why tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Just the signs be changed. Yes or no? Here in place of b you must replace minus b, then you will get it. Here also cot of a minus b equal to cot a cot b. Here will get plus symbol. Here you observe, in place of cot of a minus b formula, what did you get? Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Yes or no? Yes, because now you observe, how did we get? We will discuss cot of a minus b formula, cos a minus b by sin of a minus b. Here cos of a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next sin of a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here we will get plus symbol, here we will get minus symbol, here we will get plus symbol, here you will get minus symbol. Over. So these are the formulae, direct formulae, then that only we will get. So cot of a plus b is cot of a minus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot of A minus B formula is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. And this, what is the condition? Here A comma B comma A minus B, A comma B comma A minus B is not equal to n pi. Means that A minus B angle also should not take 180 multiple. Here also A minus B, A comma B comma A minus B not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Yes or no? Good. Now, by using these formula also, we can find that 15 degrees and 17 degrees. Yes or no? So, suppose tan 15 degrees, using this also we can do it. Tan 15 degrees, how can we write it? Tan 45 degrees minus 15 degrees. 45 degrees minus 40 degrees. 45 will get. So, now tan A minus B formula can you say? Tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 degrees. Yes or no? That value indicates 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole by 1, here plus symbol no, 1 plus tan 45 1 tan 30 1 by root 3. So you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, and you rationalize it, you will get the 2 minus root 3. With the help of these also you can solve those. Okay.